Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we're going to walk you through a crucial step in managing your online presence, removing your Facebook account from the Account Center. This process is essential if you want to disconnect your Facebook account from other Meta services or simply want to manage your accounts more efficiently. First, let's start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. You'll find this by tapping the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, tap on See More in Accounts Center. This option allows you to view and manage all the accounts linked to your Meta account. In the Account Center, tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts connected to your Meta account, including your Facebook account. To remove your Facebook account from the Account Center, tap on the option to move out the account. You'll then be prompted to confirm this action by tapping Continue to Move. This step is crucial because it will disconnect your Facebook account from your Meta account, allowing you to manage them separately. Next, you'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Tap Continue, and then Yes, Finish Moving. This will finalize the process of removing your Facebook account from the Account Center. It's important to note that removing your Facebook account from the Account Center doesn't delete your Facebook account itself. Instead, it allows you to log into Meta services using a different account or create a new login method. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to reduce the interconnectivity between your social media accounts. By following these steps, you can easily manage your online presence and ensure that your accounts are organized just the way you want them. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on managing your digital life.